Hello, everyone. In this video, we will discuss 10 amazing facts about one of the most powerful eagles in the world, Harpy eagle. The Harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. They are known for their incredible strength and sharp eyesight, which they use to hunt prey. They have a distinctive black and white head, a yellow beak and feet, and a dark brown body with a white tail. In today's video, we'll be looking at some amazing facts about these majestic birds that you may not have known before. So make sure to watch until the end to learn all about them. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified every time we post a new video. Let's dive in. Number 10. Native range. Harpy eagles are native to the forests of Central and South America, ranging from Mexico to Argentina. They typically inhabit tropical broadleaf forests and cloud forests, where they can find plenty of trees to nest in and prey to eat. These birds are also found in wooded areas near rivers and swamps, as well as in mountainous regions up to 1,500 meters in elevation. Within their range, they are generally solitary, except during mating season when they form pairs. Harpy eagles are non-migratory, meaning they stay in their native range year-round. However, they may move to different areas in search of food or better nesting sites. Number 9. Physical characteristics. Harpy eagles are truly majestic birds with a striking appearance that sets them apart from other raptors. These birds of prey have a large, broad head that is mostly black with white markings around the eyes and a white stripe above the beak. Their powerful beak is hooked and yellow, perfect for catching and tearing apart prey. The Harpy eagle has exceptional vision with sharp eyesight that can spot prey from great heights. Its eyes are a piercing yellow color that contrasts beautifully with its dark plumage. The bird's chest is adorned with a white band across the upper part, while the rest of its body is a rich dark brown. This coloration helps them blend into their forest habitat, making them excellent hunters. The wings of the Harpy eagle are long and pointed, allowing them to soar effortlessly through the skies. When fully grown, these magnificent birds can measure up to 28 inches in length and have a wingspan of up to 6 feet. They are one of the largest eagles in the world, with females being larger than males. The weight of an adult Harpy eagle can reach up to 20 pounds, making them truly formidable predators. With their size, strength, and sharp eyesight, these magnificent creatures are perfectly adapted for their role as apex predators in their ecosystem. Number 8. Diet and feeding habits. As we know, Harpy eagles are carnivorous birds of prey, which means they primarily eat meat. They are opportunistic hunters and will feed on a variety of animals, including mammals, reptiles, and birds. Their diet typically consists of tree-dwelling animals such as squirrels, monkeys, sloths, and possums. Harpy eagles have also been known to feed on reptiles such as iguanas and snakes. In some cases, they will even feed on other birds, including toucans and parrots. To find their prey, Harpy eagles rely on their keen eyesight, which allows them to spot potential meals from great distances. Once they have located their prey, they will use their powerful talons to grab it and carry it back to their nest to eat. Harpy eagles are known to be very efficient hunters and can catch prey in a matter of seconds. They have been observed using a variety of hunting techniques, including ambushing, chasing, and even using tools. For example, in some cases, Harpy eagles have been seen using sticks to help them catch their prey. This is a rare behavior for birds and demonstrates the intelligence and adaptability of these majestic creatures. Number 7. Nesting and eggs. Harpy eagles build their nests high up in the trees, often more than 100 feet off the ground. They prefer to nest in tall, sturdy trees, such as kapok trees or ceiba trees. The nest itself is large and bulky, made up of sticks and lined with leaves and feathers. Female Harpy eagles typically lay 1 or 2 eggs per year, although some may lay up to 3. The eggs are white or pale green and measure approximately 3 by 2 inches. Incubation period lasts for about 45 days, during which time the male and female eagles take turns sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. Once the chicks hatch, they are dependent on their parents for food and protection. The chicks are initially gray and downy, but they soon develop the characteristic black and white plumage of adult harpy eagles. Young harpy eagles remain with their parents for several months before they are ready to leave the nest and start their own families. Number 6. Life cycle and lifespan. The lifespan of a harpy eagle in the wild is estimated to be between 25 and 30 years. However, in captivity, they can live up to 50 years or more. The growth and development of a harpy eagle is a remarkable process that occurs in several stages. When they first hatch, they are blind and deaf, and they rely on their parents to feed and care for them. During the first few weeks of life, the chicks grow rapidly and develop their feathers. At around 6 weeks of age, they begin to explore their surroundings and start practicing their hunting skills. The young eagles continue to grow and mature over the next several months, and they are not considered fully independent until they are about 9 months old. During this time, they learn how to fly, hunt, and survive in the wild. Overall, the life cycle of a harpy eagle is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these magnificent creatures. From their humble beginnings as small, helpless chicks to their emergence as powerful predators, harpy eagles captivate us with their strength and grace. Number 5. Threats and conservation status. Despite being one of the most powerful eagles in the world, the harpy eagle faces numerous threats in its natural habitat. One of the biggest dangers to these majestic birds is habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion. As forests are cleared for farming or urban development, harpy eagles lose their homes and struggle to find food and nesting sites. Another threat is hunting by humans. In some areas, harpy eagles are hunted for their feathers, meat, or to eliminate perceived threats to livestock or pets. Additionally, the illegal pet trade can also contribute to the decline of harpy eagle populations. When these birds are captured for the pet trade, they are often subjected to poor living conditions and a lack of proper care. Fortunately, there are organizations dedicated to protecting harpy eagles and their habitats. These groups work to prevent deforestation and promote sustainable land use practices. They also educate people about the importance of conserving harpy eagles and their ecosystems. Thanks to these efforts, the harpy eagle remains a common sight in the skies of Central and South America. Number 4. Interesting facts. There are some interesting facts that you probably didn't know about harpy eagles. For instance, did you know that harpy eagles have exceptional eyesight? Their eyes are located on the front of their head, which gives them binocular vision. This allows them to judge distance and depth accurately, which is essential for hunting and maneuvering in dense forest. You probably also didn't know that harpy eagles have a special adaptation to help them regulate their body temperature. They have a special network of blood vessels in their head that helps them dissipate heat, which prevents them from overheating in hot climates. Number 3. Scientific classification. The scientific classification of a harpy eagle is as follows: Kingdom, Animalia, Phylum, Chordata, Class, Aves, Order, Accipitriformes, Family, Accipitridae, Genus, Harpia, Species, Harpigia. Number 2. Interesting behaviors. Harpy eagles exhibit some fascinating behaviors. For example, they are known to be highly adaptable and can adjust their hunting techniques based on the prey they are trying to catch. They are also highly territorial and will defend their nesting sites aggressively against intruders. Male harpy eagles are known to perform aerial displays to attract mates and establish dominance. These displays involve soaring and gliding through the air while vocalizing. Communication is another interesting aspect of harpy eagle behavior. They use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, including whistles, screams, and rattles. Each call has a specific meaning and helps the eagles coordinate their activities. Social behavior is another area of interest for researchers studying harpy eagles. They are generally solitary creatures, but they do form pairs during mating season. They also interact with each other during aerial displays and at the nest site. Number 1. Conservation status and protection. The International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species has classified the harpy eagle as a species of least concern. This classification is based on the bird's wide distribution and relatively large population size. However, as previously mentioned, harpy eagles face threats such as habitat loss and hunting, and their populations may decline in the future. Several organizations, including the American Bird Conservancy and the Harpy Eagle Conservation Program, are working to protect harpy eagles and their habitats. These organizations are involved in habitat restoration, anti-poaching efforts, and public education campaigns aimed at reducing threats to the species. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We would love to hear what you think about harpy eagles. Do you have any interesting stories or experiences related to these magnificent creatures? Share them with us in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.